Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert serial number and how to write serial number in Microsoft table. So as we know, in Excel and Google Docs we can insert serial number easily, and you need to write this serial number in Microsoft Word table. So there is the one method you can insert easily. Select the cells in table, entire column or any particular area from where you need serial number. Then in this Home tab, click on this numbering, and here you can select any style of number with dot, with bracket, in Roman style, or as a so select any style. Similarly, you can select entire column and same process, select any style of number. So thanks for watching, and comment on this video and this method work for you. And same process, you can insert the horizontal number format. So insert table, select cells, home, and numbering like this. So thanks for watching.